June 1st, 1915. Dear cousin, just a few lines to let you know I am back to the regiment and feeling in the best of spirits. Hoping this will find you all the same. Was in the hospital for 2 weeks suffering from gas fumes, but I am better now. Our regiment suffered terribly for the last month. There is hardly any of the old boys left. All those that are here now are absolute strangers to me. I see by the Kenora minor that the 90th Rifles were in the 4th line of reserves. Well, I was along with the regiment, and we were not in the 4th line of reserves, but in the most important point of the line. It was that regiment that saved the situation and none other. I am surprised that such a reliable paper should publish such information. We were in the firing line 7 days previous to the attack, and held the line for another 4 days while the battle was raging, without a minute's rest. I can assure you, we weren't a bit sorry when relief came and we were ordered back for a rest. Of course, there wasn't many of us left, but those that were left were badly in need of a night's rest. Would greatly like to be able to give you a full description of what we really went through, but do not feel up to doing so just yet. Quite a number of the Kenora boys were knocked out of action, but every one of them fought like good fellows until the very last. Your loving cousin, Simon.